Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to increase the leverage on Bybit. So I'm going to use Bybit demo trading. If you don't know how, I'm going to just go back to the normal trading account and hit your more here in your screen. You're going to find services. Just type demo trading. Hit it and it's going to take you right away to the demo trading. Okay, inside I'm going to go ahead and hit trade at the bottom middle. Right, let's say I want to buy, or I bought 10,000 of Bitcoin USDT. Right, before you execute the order, hit the margin toggle at the top here and select your margin. Right, and this will allow you to double down on your trade basically. So let's say I'm buying 55 worth of Bitcoin, hit margin buy limit, or you can just select the type of order, market, okay, into this, the amount. You're gonna buy it on the marketplace, or market price, excuse me, and then you're gonna see your positions or your orders here, right? If you want to double down, right, same, more 10x or more borrowing, you could just go ahead and into the amount, right, and order the order book depth. Let's say 100, head margin buy at the market price, and basically that's it. That's how you increase the leverage on Bybit. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.